Hello guys, this is Shaya from System Bug. Today I'm going to show you how to connect mobile with the Android Studio and with the Mobizen, and I will set up an app from Android Studio without any ADB device. Just see what I do. The Xiaomi Mi3W Android Studio 6.0 API is 23 is connected. At first, if you do not have a connection and do not establish a connection with the Android Studio, then you have to connect your device with Android Studio, and so that you have to do some settings. I will show you the settings which you should change before connecting with the Android Studio. I'm just connecting mobile with the Mobizen so that I can show you what should you change to connect with Android Studio. Just give me some time. Connecting, authenticating, connected. You have to do some developer setting on your phone, so you have to go first your settings, phone settings, about phone, and click on MIUI version 7 times so that you are becoming the Android developer. After that, you come back to your settings and go to additional settings, go to developer option, open the developer option is take away, debugging, USB debugging, install via USB, enable view attribute inspection. These 5 options need to be enabled. Then you just come back. You are ready to start your mobile debugging with Android Studio. And now go to Android Studio and connect a USB device with your mobile, and your mobile system version will check the Android Studio. If they have the ADB installed, then they will connect, or if they do not have the ADB as in your system, mobile system, then Android Studio will install the Android version for your mobile devices and will connect the mobile. Already I have done this part, so I'm just gonna show you how to connect the mobile and install app with your mobile. Okay, yes, I'm connecting Xiaomi Mi3W Android 6.0. okay, now it will take some time. Gradle build running. Check my phone so that you can see the app is installed in my mobile. I'm just pause. I will come back after installation complete. Maybe take 1 or 2 minutes. This is first time, so it will take some time. In the meantime, I just will let you know that if you want to connect your mobile first time with the Android Studio, the Android Studio will ask you some installation process, use some Android version related issues, and if the Android Studio Gradle, Android Studio ADB doesn't match, ADB installed doesn't match with your mobile, they will install as per your version, mobile version, and will after that we'll connect with your mobile. So I'm just right now I'm just it will take 2 minutes, might be 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm just paused right now. I'll come back soon. Okay, my installation app is installed now. You can see from browser, see WhatsApp, secret WhatsApp. This is my app is installed from Android Studio. Okay, this is how I am installed, and I debug all the applications from Android Studio. So I think you can understand that what I did. Just connect your mobile with your Android Studio, and Android Studio looking for the virtual devices. He will try to connect with your phone. If they not, then he will install the required software for your phone automatically. Just next and done, and your mobile will connected. After that, your mobile you have to do some settings. I shown you last few minutes ago, developer settings. And developer setting, if when you will complete the developer settings, your mobile will be connected automatically, and you can see the connected devices like blah blah blah. Your phone name will show here. So you are done now. Okay, then you can install your app from Android Studio to your mobile. In order to see your mobile devices with the browser or app, you have to install Mobizen also. So you have to install it Mobizen first, and register your Mobizen account in a website, and log in and install Mobizen app in your mobile, and log in from both mobile and website. Then you will be connected, and after that you can show your mobile screen through the browser, and you can install your app, and you can teach to others also. So that's all from my end. So I will let you know again further about this. So stay in touch and keep me in your priority list. Subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.